Hello students. In this class, we will learn about circular flow concept in closed economy and open economy. We will be considering very first concept of circular flow in closed economy. Close means when the boundaries are close. Means there is absence of foreign trade, to be very simple. And open economy is when foreign trade is present. That means countries participating in foreign trade. So that economy will be called as open economy. I'm beginning first with explanation of closed economy. In closed economy, we consider two sector and three sector economy. Two sector economy, again we are considering two models in this, without savings and with savings. Okay, so very first I'm starting with two sector model without savings. See, these are the two sectors, firms and household. Okay, two sector economy is when there are two sectors in the economy, household sector and business firms. Households are owners of factors of production. So households are supplying land, labor, capital. So factors, basically factors of production, they supply to firms. In return of these factors, firms are paying them reward, which is called factor income. Okay, which is factor income. So households firms को क्या दे रहे हैं? Factors they are providing. Services of factors and factors they are providing. इसके बदले में firms household को income देते हैं. That is rent, wages, interest, है ना? ये income है. Now all income, now see there is real flow and money flow which we talked about here, right? Household जो firm को दे रहे हैं ये real flow था. That is land, labor, capital, है ना? In return, I talked about money flow. So firms क्या दे रहे हैं? तो हम बोल रहे हैं factor income, rent, wages, interest. So we are talking about money flow. Okay. Now firms are agents of production. So they are using land, labor, capital जो उनको provide हुआ है ना वो use कर रहे हैं and with this they are making production. तो firms household को क्या दे रहे हैं? Firms are providing goods and services to household sector. Firms are supplying goods and services, which is a real flow, to household sector. Household in return pay them for that, which is consumption expenditure. ये money flow हुआ, बराबर? हम यहाँ पर जो डायग्राम में हमने शो किया है ये सिर्फ मनी फ्लो है. तो हम बोल रहे हैं कि फर्म्स आर पेइंग फैक्टर इनकम टू हाउसहोल्ड and household sector spends out all income. Okay, they spend out all income. So in this basically all income is equal to all expenditure, which is consumption expenditure. There is no savings here, right? In this model there is no savings. So whatever is produced by firms वो सप्लाई कर रहे हैं हाउसहोल्ड को. हाउसहोल्ड उसके बदले में उनको सारा पैसा, उनके पास जितना इनकम था ना, they spend out all income. They are not making any saving. So in this model, all income and consumption are becoming equal. So there is no saving in this model. Savings are zero in this model. Okay, there is no saving. तो ये मॉडल हो गया two sector economy without savings. Now we consider two sector economy where there is possibility of saving. Okay, where there is possibility of savings. Now you will see same way. Households are providing land, labor, capital to firms. In return, firms are providing them factor income. Factor income, that is rent, wages, interest. बराबर? वापस दो ही सेक्टर हैं, firms and household. Our economy is two-sector economy, like the earlier model. But here we are introducing possibility of savings. Now, whatever income which is with household sector, what they are doing with this income? They spend all income. They spend out all income. Correct? So, household क्या कर रहा है अभी? Firms ने उनको income दिया है. Firms are producing goods and services. They supply these goods and services to household sector. Household sector is purchasing these goods. Okay. So they spend. This is consumption expenditure. They're spending part of the income. But they are not spending their entire income. What they do, they are also making savings. So in this model, income is equal to consumption plus savings. Savings positive है ये मॉडल में, ठीक है? ये मॉडल में savings positive है. Income is equal to consumption plus savings. You will see firm to household is an income flow. This is divided into two. Consumption flow, which is C, and savings. Okay. We say savings will become equal to investment. And that is why this flow is savings equal to investment flow. Household से firm के पास जो पैसा जा रहा है, savings equal to investment flow है. Financial intermediaries are there. See, those who make savings and those who make investment are two different groups, right? So household are making savings. They are not ready to take risk. Okay, regular interest they are earning. So they are making savings. The savings are kept with financial institution, banks. So now what they will do, they will lend this money. Firms are ready to take risk. So they're making investment. So this money will be becoming equal to investment flow. So we say savings and investments are equal. So in that way, this circular flow gets over. Complete here. This flow is complete because of no leakages are present. So whatever income is received by household, all income is divided into two. Either they spend it or they make savings, which becomes investment and money flows back to firms. Correct? So this is two-sector model with savings. So what we covered till now, we covered closed economy model. We started in that two-sector model we covered. In two-sector, there are two diagrams that we covered, which is without savings and with savings. Two sectors that we dealt with are households and firms. Now I will introduce government as a third sector in the model. Again, model is closed economy model because here also we are considering absence of foreign trade after introduction of government. There is no export and import in the sector. We are considering closed economy. As you can see, diagram on the slide, circular flow model it is of income and expenditure. It is closed economy model, three sector economy model we will call it as. Which are the three sectors? Household and firms. The two that we have taken before. And the third segment which we are introducing is government. Now see, the other two flows will remain same as we were talking about before. Firms are providing factors of production to हाउसहोल्ड सेक्टर. ओके, हाउसहोल्ड सेक्टर जो है ओनर है, फैक्टर्स का ओनर्स है. तो वो क्या कर रहे हैं? दे आर सप्लाइंग लैंड, लेबर, कैपिटल. व्हाट दे डू? दे सप्लाई दैट टू फर्म्स. सो फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन सप्लाई किए जाएंगे फर्म्स को बाय हाउसहोल्ड. इन रिटर्न ऑफ दैट firms will pay them reward, factor income, rent, wages, interest, profit. तो ये जो आउटर फ्लो है ना, फैक्टर्स ऑफ प्रोडक्शन, ये रियल फ्लो है हाउसहोल्ड से जो फर्म के पास जाएगा. और फर्म टू हाउसहोल्ड जो आएगा, फैक्टर इनकम, ये मनी फ्लो है. ठीक है. अब लोअर साइड डायग्राम देखिए. हाउसहोल्ड आर सप्लाइंग basically factors of production to firms. Firms are making use of these factors and then they are producing goods and services. तो goods and services जो है firms supply करेंगे household को. Household in return will make payment for the goods and services which were made available to them. ठीक है. So again outer flow is real flow, inner flow is money flow. अब दोनों एक साथ देखिए. Household will supply factors of production to firms. In return, firms will pay them income for that. Firms will produce goods and services, will supply this to household. Household in return will pay them for goods and services. But household is not spending all income. Part of the income they spend, which is their consumption expenditure. And remaining part, they are making savings. Savings with financial institutions, financial market, which will become investment and will go back to firm. I was explaining this in earlier slide also. Savings and investment are two different flows, है ना? And they are made equal with the help of financial market. तो इतना मॉडल एज इट इज आगे के डायग्राम से हमने लिया है, अर्लियर स्लाइड के जैसा ही है. नाउ व्हेन आई से थ्री सेक्टर, आई एम इंट्रोड्यूसिंग गवर्नमेंट. Okay, what government gives us, we are showing on upper side of the diagram. Government pays wages, salary to household sector. Government sector employees payment जो वो करते हैं. Transfer payment में subsidies आएगा, pension आएगा, transfer from one to other. So taxpayer से लेना, pension earners को देना. Government to firm flow is called government purchases and subsidies. Government makes purchases from private sector. They give subsidies also to firms. So subsidy and purchases, in that way money will flow from government to firm. What we give to government, we are showing on lower side. Taxes. Household to government is a flow of taxes. And firm to government again is a flow of taxes. So we pay taxes to government. Out of these taxes, government provides this to both the sectors or segment. Again, for three sector model, there are no leakages. And therefore, the flows are becoming equivalent on both the sides. And so it is called circular flow. Still model is closed economy because there is no foreign trade.